Don't drink and drive, kids. Peace out.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, that was fun. Now
I give up. I'm not here. Okay, fine. It's whatever. It's whatever. It's whatever. It's whatever. Not liking the hair, but we'll get over it. It's just one video. So anyway, what's up? How you doing? We're gonna get into the video, and we're gonna start with priming the lids. I mean, so you almost forgot, and then the whole video is just like. Now that we have our eyelids primed, what I'm gonna do is with some of this just to act as a base on my lid. This is some pink lipstick. Excuse me, pardon. Some pink lipstick, and I am going to slap this. I'm gonna slap this on our lids, and I'm going in with a flat backing brush like this, and making sure that there's no creasing on the lid. And since we're doing a full cut crease today, I'm gonna roughly pack this like literally everywhere I need it. So it's gonna wing out, and as you guys can see, I'm not even being neat about the way I'm applying it. It's just going to be quick things, man. Something like that. And then I'm just gonna slightly blend this out. Then I'm gonna go in with this Pink Panther shade over here, and we're gonna set that basically. So that's where we're at the moment. Not sure where this is going, but I'm thinking of doing like a pink and then like yellow lid, so we'll see. Wish me luck. So I think I just want to deepen up the lid just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the red, and I'm just gonna pack that like in the crease, and then I'm just gonna slightly blend that out as well. But I'm gonna cut the crease. So using the same Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. And we're just gonna cut the crease. So basically I'm just wiping that off the concealer because it's busy bleeding through and it's making it a baby pink shade, and I want it to be like basically closest to the concealer color as possible, so that I give the yellow like a better chance at peeking through. Like, you know, it must be there, it must be yellow, it mustn't be yellow and something that's not yellow. So smart. Yeah. Now with the yellow shade, I'm just gonna go in and pack that all over the lid. So with this purple shimmer shade, I'm just gonna pack that in over there. So with this liquid glitter thingy stuff, whatever it's called, I'm just gonna pack that over the purple inner corner that I threw on there that decided to not show up for the party. Then I'm gonna go in with this yellow. It's a yellow shimmer liner eyeliner. It's so soft, like it's unbearable to work with. But let's see. That feels awful. How do we... So just to deal with the fact that there's like this white cast here on the side, I'm gonna go in with some what, face powder, the pressed powder, yeah, some pressed powder that I use to set like my whole face with, and then I'm just gonna do this mascara, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna put on some lashes for this look. Well, not that I don't want to put lashes on. I'd love to put on some lashes, but I'm out of lash glue, so there's that. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'll see you guys when that's done. So anyway, now we're gonna do the lips. Shut up. Okay, well, anywho, shush. So I'm gonna do my lips, the usual, this really pale peach lip gloss. I literally just like choose whatever one I feel like for the day, but let's see. This one. I almost did this, like there's a mirror on there. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is the look. I mean, we look, there's a vibe I'm giving off, and I don't know what it is, but there's a vibe. It's feeling, yes! Beastie! Come. I'm not sure what vibe this is that we're giving off today. I mean, I'm feeling it. Something, man. I don't know. Wasn't really liking the hair, but like I'm kind of like, the more that I look at myself, the more I'm just like, maybe it's okay, you know, maybe it's okay to like the bad hair. Bad? Why did I say like that? Bad hair. Okay, let's just stop speaking. I shut up my mouth and call it a day. But thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have anything else you want me to post. I mean, like, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.
Don't you want to taste some?
Yeah, I love the aggression. Yes, another pie?
Don't you want some?
Yes, please. Can Rhodes sponsor one of my videos? Sponsor me, Rhodes! I mean, free publicity. Shut up! Leave me alone. Rhodes, the sponsor of today's video. Psych! It's free publicity.
It's nice, Mishana.
Free publicity. That's so good. Thank you.